This is my secret to feeling awake and refreshed every morning. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to make products using natural ingredients. In this video, you'll learn how to make Simply Earth's Lava Rock Shower Diffuser to make your morning shower an aromatherapy experience. This shower diffuser can be hung from your shower head. Just add essential oils to the bead, and steam from the shower will help the essential oils evaporate, creating an uplifting shower experience. A beautiful way to start your morning. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's home remedy box. It gives you everything you need to make this shower diffuser. This recipe uses pure essential oils, ensuring that your morning experience is free from synthetic fragrances. Before I tell you what you need, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make natural products for your home. That's why if you subscribe to this box, you'll get everything you need shipped to your door. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this morning shower diffuser from Simply Earth. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from the home remedy recipe box. You can also find these ingredients at simplyearth.com. For this recipe, you'll need a lava rock shower diffuser, 3 drops of tangerine essential oil, 2 drops of palmarosa essential oil, 1 drop of eucalyptus essential oil, and a 5mm amber glass bottle from your big bonus box. These essential oils create an uplifting and energizing aroma. First, you will attach the string to your lava rock. I like to do this by first tying my string in a loop. And then I'll be doing a cow hitch knot to attach the lava rock. The next step is to add the essential oils to the lava rock bead. I'm going to make the blend in this bottle. It's going to be 50 drops of tangerine, then 33 drops of palmarosa, and 16 drops of eucalyptus. Now you're going to put the lid on, shake it, and add your label. And now you're gonna add 3 to 5 drops on the lava rock bead. And hang this from your shower head and enjoy the lovely aroma as you shower. I love how this smells amazing. It makes my bathroom smell like a spa. You can make this too. Get your home remedies recipe box today from Simply Earth. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this, take a picture and tag from Simply Earth, #IMadeThis, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Learn more in the description box. Like and follow for more natural recipes like this one.